5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I had the fun experience of dropping my Sigma 20mm f1.4 prime lens on a straight concrete after it fell off of my Peak Design lens holder. We'll get to that in another video, but for this one I want to show you how to fix a lens with a fixed flower hood like this. Now the same process can be done with virtually any lens with a fixed flower hood, and I will link in the description to the lens hood that I ordered and any other tools that I used in this video. Alright, so first off, you want to get one of these eyeglass repair kits that will come with a little Phillips head screwdriver such as the one in this video. Then I also have this vice grip I just had laying around my house. And the whole process looks pretty sketchy, and again, I'm not a lens fixing expert, but so what we're trying to do is prune away until we can get to the lens filter protector. Then we want to pry that up, then unscrew the hardware from the lens. There should be about 5 or 6 screws here. So obviously you just unscrew them, take out that old flower, put a new one on, and then screw the lens back together. You just do the exact same thing in reverse from here. Key note, clean out your lens before you put everything on because there's going to be a lot of dust from pruning the lens. The last thing you need to do is just test it out and see if it works. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I know it's a pretty short and vague video, but I wanted to make it as dense as possible so you don't have to waste any time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.